Hi, my name is Nate McCullough on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. In this clip, we're going to talk about torquing our upper strut nut and aligning the studs to the corresponding holes. As you can see here, we have our new strut mount on the old strut assembly. These studs here, once we torque it down and release the spring, aren't going to be movable. So we're going to want to make sure that we have them in relation to the strut and the body. What you want to do is take a look at the way the holes are oriented inside the suspension tower and line this up in relationship to the strut, the way the strut's going to sit before you torque the nut. We've gone ahead and done that. We got it awfully darn close. So what we're going to do is torque our nut down. I like to use a vise to hold it steady. And that's all the tighter that needs to be. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the vise real quick. There you go.